everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this month's mystery reveal. We are revealing the May mystery. If you were looking to get this kit, it is no longer available. Next month, if you purchase the mystery, it'll be a whole new mystery, new exclusive art. But if you're looking for this in particular, I check out the buy sell trade group to see if whenever people receive their mysteries, if they are selling them. But this one, I already have a spot for it in my August, I'm pretty sure August. This is giving me August vibes. A lineup, and this is the first time I'm using this artist in the mystery kit lineup. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is exclusive art as always, and let me show you the ultimate kit. Okay, let me move some things around. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is just supposed to be kind of like based on Savannah, Georgia, but also just very much so a really pretty summer set. I am obsessed with the sunlight in these boxes and all of the accessories. I love this green color. I just think it's so unique mixed with the peach and like the light blues. And I just think this is such a serene, beautiful set. Ugh, it's just so nice. And I love everything about it. I love this little puppy. I love the food. And all of the patterns are just so pretty. And I just can't wait to lay this down. I think this is going to be such a fun, light, beautiful spread, especially in August. You have your extra color and your doodles, and then you have the fashion boxes, which, come on. They're literally so gorgeous, so beautiful, and I love every single thing about them. So that is the ultimate kit. The freebie in the ultimate is going to be, well, you have the foil bundle, but I was like really undecided on this one if I wanted to do the blue bottom washi strip, but I was like blue, green, I can't decide. So I was just like, all right, let's just add in an extra option. So that will be coming with the ultimate. And then you do have the foil bundle, which is the silver confetti. And I think that matches perfect. This one, I was like, I was going to do something foil bundle like plaid, but I really feel like this one is just one that just needs to like accent it and let the art shine, because it really just is so soft and pretty. And I think I'm actually just going to be using this foil bundle with it. I just think it's going to be so nice. I feel like you could use gold, champagne lights, silver, rose even with this, but I feel like silver against these colors is just going to be so pretty with the cool tones. So that is the ultimate kit. Again, I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna be using it, I think, in August. It was either between June and August, but I think I have just too much going on in June, so it's going to be an August kit. But it kind of gives me a transition out of summer, but like, this is my favorite box. I just think it's so pretty. So I hope y'all love this month's mystery. It's just chef's kiss perfection. And let me show you the mini kit. Okay, you have the same full boxes, the same deco page. This page here, the glitter headers. This is the mini kit exclusive page, the bottom washi, and then you also have the freebie page, which has your labels and your extra color, and then the freebie in the mini is the silver matte boxes. And that, my friends, is everything for this month's mystery. I hope y'all like it. It's just so serene and pretty and just makes me excited for summer. But that is everything. If you want to sign up for next month's mystery, those spots will be available on the 1st, and that will be for next month, which is a whole new art, which that will be June, which, oh yeah. I think I'm gonna be using June in September. I think I have like, usually I do all Halloween in September, but I have some things that I need to like celebrate in September. So I think I'm using that one in September, but also it'd be really, it's an anytime set. I think you could use it for anything. I feel like you could easily use it for like a birthday. I think that'd be really fun. I'm not using it for a birthday, but that will be next month. So that is everything. I hope y'all love this, and I will talk to you in my next video.